the hell are you? Why are you in my garage? Wanna build a drone? Let's build a drone. All right, so today we are going to be building up a brand new Ummagawd Demibot frame. Y'all love my other Demibot so much. Everybody loves the Demibot. Tougher than nails, literally fucking unbreakable. I don't want to do that though, because that's just being mean, and this is my favorite. So if you want to follow along, I recommend not. I recommend following along with literally anybody else's build video. But here's what I've got. I've got a, like I said, Ummagawd Demibot 5-inch frame. We are going to be rocking the speedybee F405 V4 60 amp ESC and flight controller stack. We are going to be using the speedybee TX800 800 milliwatt video transmitter. We are all analog because I'm too broke for digital. We'll get there one day. As far as camera goes, so nice you'll buy it thrice. I have the Fox here Razor Mini, one of my favorite analog cameras. We have a Radiomaster RP3 receiver, and the motors, my favorite part, are the Botgrinder Special TBS Grinder V4 1750 kV 2207s. These things are fucking gorgeous. This thing's gonna rip. I'm super excited to get this thing built, and we will see how it rips this weekend with the boys. But for now, I'm gonna dive into getting this thing thrown together. I need scissors. I dumped everything out on the table all at once. Super easy to stay organized that way. Oh, I guess I don't need scissors for this because they do have tears. I'm not sure what those are for. Some standoffs, a whole bunch of screws, a whole bunch more screws, a whole bunch more screws, some taller standoffs, and some Ummagawd, but I'm going to be using, see, they give you the purple stuff. I think this is the Ummagawd Light or whatever. I'm going to be using the old school black stuff because that's the stuff I like.
Nope.
Do some press nuttage here first because I know that I want to be 30 by 30. And you'll do this in whatever stack or according to whatever stack you have. My stack, which is the speedybee F405 V3, is a 30 by 30. But the good thing about the Demibot is she does 25 or 30 by 30 or 25 by 20 or 20 by 20. The whatever the mini stack size is, y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so you make sure that that guy's going in pretty straight, and it's going to be a 2.5 millimeter screw. Allen head, I mean. And then you just drive her on in there until it seats. And you're gonna repeat that 3 more times for the 30 by 30, which is the outside holes. Please don't follow this learning how to build your first drone. I don't know what I'm doing. One more thing about the press nuts, when you're installing them, just go until they're just in there. You know, you don't have to put 17 fucking to get it to seat. You just want the nuts to sit flush with the carbon, just like I have here. Everybody loves to accessorize. You can use snips, you can use whatever the hell you want. I don't care. It's not my drone. I'm not building it. You're building it. Make sure I didn't feck it up. I did not feck it up. I leave a lot of extra on my motors because when I had my Nazgul, I broke an arm and it actually ripped a pad off of the ESC. So I don't want to do that again. Flight controller is installed. We are going to throw our speedybee TX800 in here. And for right now, I think I'm gonna end up just using this. Ooh, unless I have another antenna. It looks like for right now I'm gonna be using a little whip antenna on this, but I will update you guys on that. And I'm gonna get the Receiver soldered at the front is usually what I do, the VTX at the back, and then we should be ready to test fire this baby. That was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we have everything soldered up to it. Camera's working, VTX is working. Watch a Bardwell video on configuring Betaflight bullshit, because I didn't record none of it because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I got it figured out. I got everything working. This one is IRC Tramp, not Smart Audio TX800. So if you do replicate this build, and I'll have links to my build down below so you can build your own if you want to. You can actually build this quad for about $340 right now if you follow my build exactly. You can opt for a few cheaper parts and get it under 300 pretty easily though. But that is about it. I'm gonna throw some props on it, throw some rates at it, tape my motors up, and the next time y'all see this bad boy, she will be in the air. What, you're in my truck now? Ah, fuck. I guess you came to watch me fly this thing, huh? All right, well, we're going to meet up with the boys right now. They closed our spot, but we got a backup spot. I'll be there in about 5 minutes. Give her a little scope out kind of situation, and then we'll fly this brand new fucking Demibot, and y'all can tell me what you think.
Surfed this morning.
Yes, sir. Tim's gonna fly good, guys.
Maybe not, I don't know. And I'm trying something new. I haven't tried this at all yet. I just did this right before I left the house. I put this little action camera on here, and I'm gonna try the battery pack on the bottom and see if I can at least get one run with it.
You never need to ask for this. It's always with me.
What's that? Oh, I was talking about the small one, buddy.
Small battery?
Yeah,
All right.
The hard case.
We going hot with the Grinderino.
Oh, fuck!
God
damn it.
I get it on the next one, man. I should have called it something else. What do you call it? Is it like a hard case? And he's in the air.
Battery box.
Is this the first time you've ripped the new one? Yeah, that's all right.
I ripped it in the yard yesterday.
There you go. This is your first time hitting this spot too. You got a little prop wash down there, huh?
A little bit. Not a great tune.
Something's like, do you hear a sound?
It's just those props.
Hey, look at the moon up there, man.
It's just a little twitchy after the...
Cool. What'd you say?
It's just... I think it's the air mode keeping the prop spinning.
Okay.
Could be. I've got bad signal here for some reason. Did I lose an antenna?
That thing looks good, though.
It's flying good. I'm getting some breakup though, which is not what I should be getting right there. All right, fuck it. Let's go again.
Oh! You all right?
What happened?
I am amazed because it hit your hand. Oh, motor.
See that?
Lost the motor. Looks fine. Not even
hot?
hot, no.
Uh-oh. It's a brand new fucking ESC, dude.
Yeah, brand new doesn't mean good.
Hold on, I'm gonna send this bitch.
I'm staying back because you just hit yourself and I don't want to be hit too.
With the legs on up, but the shit still dry though. Sipping on a mule with a nice check bitch, but now I got vertigo. I'm tweaking. My moves make money, yeah, me and Gravy got a pad like NATO. Worldwide pussy. 30 or less, she can get this dick like dominoes. Domino. Line them all up, knock them down like domino. Pull up with your bitch at 8 a.m. Where she been, you don't wanna know. Gravy. Got the baddest bag on top.
it's a hurricane. Yippee-yi, yippee-yay. Think I'm sweating Gatorade. Crash a plane, then get laid. Now your bitch is MIA. Paint my name up on a cake. Make a wish, I said okay, okay.
Don't lie one too much. My wrist it look like Christmas. Got a trend lady. She gon' go the distance. Talk about pay me. Buy her bless my business. These ain't too skinny. She still feel the money where, money there, money everywhere. I need that check, fair questionnaire. I'm a millionaire. Got that wet hair, don't care. Yellow bunch of squares. I got it underwear. Say a prayer, eat prayer, love. I hit it and I'm out. Goodness gracious. Tito's got me being fucked up. It's us in Texas. Woke up beside who I fucked up. We got good wages. Spent too much, I thought I fucked up. We working aces. This shit goes so hard, damn it's fucked up. Goodness gracious. Tito's got me being fucked up. It's us in Texas. Woke up beside who I fucked up. We got good wages. Spent too much, I thought I fucked up. We working aces. This shit goes so hard, damn it's fucked up.
Are we kicked out? Damn it. I guess that's just our thing, is getting kicked out of spots. We're gonna head up to the paintball field, visit Sam for a minute, and maybe dive the tower there, because we can't get kicked out of there, because I know the guy who owns the motherfucker. Flying in here might be difficult. Kinda. Rocks everywhere. Oh well. Let's go see Sam. Where's Sam at?
Sam actually is taking it down from the back.
Mother...
He just walked back there.
I forgot to talk to my camera, so I'm gonna do that for a second. We are at spot number 2 because we got kicked out of the casino because we suck. This thing, I got a motor that's not working because I suck. And Tim's fixing stuff.
Yes, sir. Always fixing stuff.
Hunter's crashing stuff. There he is. And there he goes. Sam's here somewhere. And I'm gonna go film some paintball.
The one who can last the longest wins a prize. Any objections? Ooh. None at all. Sonny, this kind of sounds a little dangerous. That's it, everyone.
Yeah. I wanna fuck. You gon' suck. ADHD combined with addiction. Pussy been my one affliction. Cause I be stressed out. I be working, babysitting. All I want now is some fiction. We can try the kitchen. I'll make you some food right after. We can fuck inside the garage. Let me just go move the ladder. Like a Jackson Pollock splatter. You don't swallow, doesn't matter. Look at the beat on my lip. My stroke and earthquake. Yeah, you a bitch, but you mine. Grab your hands right from behind. Want it wet, want it slide. Be gross to my kind. Online, down, fucking sex, never down. Dick game, here's a head. I'm advanced, I'm taboo. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to fucking like Hoover Dare. She be sucking. I'm always in, but need my checks. I hold her hair right now, scratching, cause I'm a gentleman. But now I'm not gentleman. But what I got, you load out, ran away, I thought you had to shop, but I'm a drop shop, bitch. This ain't hopscotch, no games played. What the fuck, I be top notch. Where the fuck did you find him? Where the fuck did you find them? I'm just off a coffee. Please do not go, cause I am not a copy. Why does everyone look so lucky? Think I'm addicted to tension. I keep them guessing like a game of 21 questions. Don't listen to message. Don't give a fuck about anyone's message. Running through wrestling like passing like Bobby. We just got our first check. I felt like a vertigo. Grief. These kids really never get a record like he. Shit's kinda bleak when they grow dead cheese. Whoa, I know that I do not know. We so despicable. Slow the pulse, parasitical. Sound like I'm out of craze. Every single minute getting critical.
GoPro looks a little weird, guys.
You might actually get.
Fucking Christ. Another day done. Leaving the paintball place now. It's so cool that Sam is the guy. He gets us the hookup, lets us in here, lets us fly, and we're gonna be doing some more cool shit here shortly. We should be able, we're in talks about coming to film inside the cave over here. So we'll be making a kind of like a little bit of an advertisement for them, but for right now, I'm gonna go see Sam, tell him bye, and get editing video.